Hello friends, today I am going to explain and I am going to give you additional information, additional knowledge for the how to replace display of Vivo mobile phone. It is very simple. First of all, you can remove back cover and you can remove some nails just like this. It is very important process. You can do this using screwdrivers. You can see battery removal process here. You can carefully remove the battery. You can remove glue cord just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can disconnect input cable ribbons. Now you can remove this old and cracked display using some probe just like this. It is very simple process. You can pull out and you can remove it just like this. It is very simple process. After completion of this, it is compulsory to clean metal cage. You can remove previously added glue cord just like this. It is very simple process. You can remove each nook and corner. It is compulsory to remove because sometimes new display is not fixing for this because under the incorrect impurities, unwanted impurities. It is very helpful process. You can remove them using some blade. You can clean it using suitable brush and you can clean them again and again. You can insert new display just like this. It is very simple. You can attach each ribbons just like this. You can replace battery just like this and you can insert battery cable and try to load Vivo phone because this is not installation process, this is testing process. Because before attaching display, we need to check each nook and corner just like this. Don't worry, I will show you real attaching process after completion of this testing. You have to wait several times because it is not charged. You can touch each nook and corner, each place, because some displays are not compatible with new hardware configuration. After completion of that, it is compulsory to attach waterproof glue cord just like this, because this is not 100% waterproof glue. This is additional security process. You can insert some glue. You can insert display just like this. You can install some cables, connector cables just like this, and you can insert battery and you can insert battery cable. After completion of that, you can insert remote plates and you can insert them just like this by using tiny nails. You can insert back cover just like this. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and we are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new updates. And after completion of this, it is compulsory to fix some applied glues. You can insert rubber tapes just like this. Thanks for watching.